Guys, mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako si Calvin Quizon and this is my devotion for today, February 16. Ang topic po natin for today is, okay lang ba makinig ng mga secular songs? Or yung pinaka-concept ng ating topic po for today is common grace. And ang scripture po natin for today is 1 Corinthians chapter 5, verse 9 to 10. Basahin ko po. I wrote to you in my letter not to associate with sexually immoral people, not at all meaning the people of this world who are immoral, or the greedy and swindlers, or idolaters. In that case, you will have to leave this world. So, ang pinaka-concept po ng ating topic ngayon is common grace. So, ano nga ba po yung common grace na para ma-relate po natin sa scripture po natin for today? So, ang common grace daw po is God's kindness to all people. Diba? Hindi lang po sa believers. Unlike special grace po, yung special grace is yung grace na will lead us to salvation or yung buhay na walang hanggan. And common grace po kasi, or common grace limits sin, diba? It supports cultural progress and allows non-believers to contribute to human flourishing. Ibig sabihin na lang po, pinaka-example po dito ni Pastor Russell is yung pagsikat ng araw, yung pag-ulan, diba? Lahat naman po tayo nakikinabang dito, kahit yung mga hindi believers ng ating Panginoon. Ibig sabihin, ito po yung common grace na ginagawa ng ating Panginoon, na kahit hindi ka believer, is nakakatanggap ka pa rin ng grace sa ating Panginoon. Diba? Kasi ganun kabuti ang ating Panginoon na mahal niya tayo kahit tayo ay sobrang makasalanan. Ngayon, paano naman po natin i-relate ito sa ating scripture for today? Kasi marirelate po natin ito, at sinabi nga po ni Apostol Pablo na kung gusto mong iwasan talaga yung evil, or gusto mong iwasan yung kasamaan, kailangan mo mawala sa mundo. Kasi yung mundo, sobrang makasalanan na. And of course, hindi ka makakagawa ng paraan lumayo sa lahat ng kasalanan or makasalanan. Kasi lahat ng tao ay makasalanan. Kaya ayan sinabi ni Apostol Pablo na dapat iwasan mo yung kasalanan. And not necessarily yung mga tao, dahil makikipag-collaborate ka pa rin sa kanila in order for you and them to create or to give value or meaning pa sa buhay, and makapag-progress and makatulong pa tayo lalo sa ating culture and society, diba? So, first teaching is common grace is for all people, but special grace is for Christians. Kaya pa-explain ko kanina, God uses both Christians and non-Christians for human flourishing. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang po tayo yung ginagamit ng ating Panginoon, yung mga naniniwala sa Kanya, kundi yung mga hindi rin naniniwala sa Kanya, in order for us to live in a society where may balance or may positive impact sa mundo. So, third teaching is Christians must collaborate with non-believers for the common good. Ibig sabihin na lang po is we need to collaborate with them, kasi marami naman pong tao na kahit hindi Christians is or hindi believer ng ating Panginoon ay gumagawa pa rin ng mabuti ng mga bagay. So that is why makipag-collaborate tayo sa kanila, na in order for us to participate and also contribute sa ginagawa nila na maganda. Application is be sensitive to God's work through all people. Dapat makita po natin yung kung ano, meron tayong keen eyes in order for us to understand God's work, kasi minsan baka sobra-sobra na yung collaborate mo, ginagawa mo na rin yung kasalanan nila, diba? So, second application is be thankful for God's common grace, na lahat tayo nakikinabang, even though yung hindi pa tayo believer ng ating Panginoon, is marami tayong grace na natanggap. Paano pa kaya ngayon na believer na tayo? So, third teaching is be open to work with anyone for the common good. Ibig sabihin, don't hesitate to help or to contribute to anyone na kahit hindi po sila believer, is we must always contribute for the greater good and to show that our God is on our side and we are walking our life with God, handling our life, or yung mahawak sa manibela ng ating buhay. So ngayon lang po, ako si Godfrey Quizan, and this is my devotion for today, February 16. Sana po ay marami kayong natutunan. Ayun lang po, and God bless.